Hi guys, it's Nadia and welcome back to Nadia's World. And today, Nadia's World, and today I am here to show you all of my slime collection. So yeah, first slime is my top favorite. I will have one favorite and it's this one. It is my American Girl doll slime. And this is like the perfect slime I could have. It's a little stiff, but look how long it stretches. It doesn't stretch that much, but it's really stiff. But look, you guys. Ready, guys? Ready? It's satisfying. And this slime I made out of my Nickelodeon slime kit. All the slimes actually made out of my Nickelodeon slime kit. And all it is red food dye. And it's like the color of American Girl. That's what I call it. The American Girl slime. So, this slime back in the bags. Tip for you guys. Always keep your slime in bags. Because if you keep them in like containers, it's going to be stuffed, but they can get all sticky. So, next one. I'm going to do my next one is my dad's favorite one, which it really looks really cool, and it's clear slime, so it might have cleared up a lot. It's called Ocean, and I put it in this bag. It may be hard to get out, but whoa, all the air bubbles look like it just came out right out of it. So it's really hard to get it all out, but it's not even out the basket. I'm still like loving it. I still like it. My dad likes it because it's the color. I'm taking it out piece by piece. My dad likes it because the color. And I like it because it's clear slime. Clear slime my favorite. Even though the American Girl doll slime wasn't a clear slime, I still really liked it because if you guys didn't know, that was my first slime that I made ever that like no one wants to play with, because my brother always wants to play with my slime. So that was amazing. Yeah. Oh, that's so soothing. It doesn't make no crunchy slime, but I do have some slimes here that that do make the crunchy slime that I made the slime. So it's pretty hard to get out because it's in this really small bag, and they're probably gonna be all got out. The American Girl slime is the only slime that was in a big bag. Maybe I put the American Girl slime in a big bag because like it's my favorite. This is my dog, my dad's. I'm gonna call him my dad dog. And here is the question of the day. I'm gonna be starting this new like thing of like the question of the day. So if I like say, here guys, here's the question of the day. Can you say toy boy, toy boy, toy boy, toy boy 5 times? Leave it in the comments. So I don't really know. Oh, here is the question of the day. Do you prefer slime or squishy? Leave it down in the comments. Slime or squishy. So this is my slime. My dad's blue. It's called Ocean, and I also made my Nickelodeon slime kit. So that slime is done. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my brother's favorite, which is this purple slime. My brother's favorite, and it's the first one that I made. And yes, it is really stuck in there. Or I can get this out really easily. Wow, you guys, it's coming out really easily too. That's awesome. Oh my god. Oh yes. Sorry guys, I'm getting really crazy. But look at this, it's so soft. Yes. Yes. This thing has to make the perfect Instagram. So I'm just gonna paste you guys there. You guys don't have to see my face. That's how satisfying this slime is. So I think that I like to do it. Probably no one else does in the world, but slime probably like one person. Me. It's twisted, so it can look really cool. And oh, that is perfecto. This is perfect. That is perfect. Oh, yes. That is the perfect Instagram swirl. This is, and it's like the pretty lavender purple, but I still like the American Dinosaur slime because this is a little bit stretchier than this. It breaks, but this is awesome. So let's put this back in the bag and get on to the next one. These are like I prefer the little bag. You know, it's hard to get out. It's not really that hard. It's just mine were like sticky, but if your slime is like really good. So I think I'm gonna do my two countries. I just can't say words today. Crunchy slime. So this is my white country slime, which is like, and this is my purple country slime. So this is actually bee slime, which I put it beads in, and you guys could totally. Did I say that right? Yeah, totally. Do try this. Just make normal slime, which I know some of my fans out there does make normal slimes. And then all you have to do, because I know some of my fans out there wear beads and like has like bead packets all over their room. Get some beads, put in a slime, and they're country slime because you don't really have to buy this the crunchy stuff. So first I'm gonna take out the vibe of this one, the vibe of this one. This one is like higher, so get them both opened. They're both open. Okay, get them out. Boom. Get this one out. It's a little hot. Boom. These are my two country signs, and look, you guys, look how many bees it is in it. Okay, here's a challenge for me that wasn't expecting, but I'm gonna try to get all the bees out this slime. Yeah, and they're all like covered in the slime also. That's one. I wonder how many bees I put in here. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another one? Oh, what? 6, 7. It's in here somewhere. 7. Is that off? Yep. So this is what the slime looks like. And it's pretty much the lavender purple, but like a little darker by itself. But I really like it. Look, you guys. Make sure you guys see this. Move the white one out the way. Uh-oh. That's why I like my slime sticky, because if you make a mess, just do this. I cleaned it up. So this is the awesome slime. Now let's try to make an Instagram star. I don't think Quarantine Slime can make Instagram star. If it can make a like an awesome Instagram star like the American Girl doll one day and the Lavender did, I'm gonna scream. I never knew Country Slime can make a perfect Instagram twirl. Like, awesome. So now let's gonna see this blue one. So, and this one is this pink one. It was this ball, and this pink one, it was 7 in. Let's see if the white one can beat it. 1, 2. I'm going fast at this. 3, 4. Only 4? Well, sorry, you didn't lose. It's like a little wobbly thing. Let's clean it up. Whoop, 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 whoop. And they're all at the bottom. Woo! Those are my 2 crunchy slimes, or as I like to call it, beet slime. And if you know what if you guys forgot the tip that I said, you don't have to go out and buy the things. You can just, yeah. So, those are in there, nice and tidy. And so far I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slimes. And 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So that means it's 9 slimes. Next thing I'm gonna do is the glow in the dark slime. And I think I'm gonna do glow in the dark glass because I want to show you guys how it glows in the dark. So I'm gonna do them like at the same time. This is blue slime, regular blue slime, and this is like another blue slime. They look the same though. Oh, because I know. So I made all slimes, right? This slime right here is a mixture of all of them, but I mixed it and I made blue. This slime is just a slime. So I'm just we need to open them. And open. Let's take them out. These went all the way to the bottom. I took half of that out. Took half of this out. This video's getting too long. Okay, now I have this. And this is turbo slime, not really good, but I still really like it. That was the mixture of all of them. This is, oh my god, that stretches so wide. Okay, so that was it. Now I'm gonna make this. Glow in the dark fail. Okay. Now this pink slime, and I'm gonna take a half of this out. Whoa! It's really like air bubbly, even though I didn't make it with clear slime. It's really air bubbly. I don't know why it's like all these bubbles in it. And now for the ultra amazing slime, which is the glow in the dark slime. Who's ready to see the glow in the dark slime? The glow in the dark slime. That did not happen. That did not happen. Okay, now. This glow in the dark slime is amazing slime. Ooh, the same color as my mom's ball. So, let's go to see. First, I'm going to play with it a little bit, and I'm going to actually take all of this out because I feel like I'm going to be talking about this for a pretty long time. And, yeah. So, it can, like, take out. Ugh. Yay. Now, this is like the perfect thing that I can reach and get it out. I'm taking all of this out. See, bags like the great. Now, you guys can come with me to the bathroom, and you guys get to see this Nickelodeon slime light up. And trust me, it's really dark in the bathroom. So you probably won't be able to see me right now. Turn on the light. So you guys see the slime, right? Close the door. You guys can see it glowing. Let's close the door all the way. You guys can see it glowing. But it's not really glowing. But it is glowing. So I said to hold it up to the light. I'm going to get up here and hold it up to the light. There we go. Hold it up to the light a little. Okay, you guys see it glowing in the dark? I know I could. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!